Hello guys, welcome back to the Terror Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Steam Deck mouse is not working and how we can fix it. So let's dive into this. So first one is all about we have to restart your Steam Deck, and this is what we have to do as the first step. For that, just click over here on the Steam. Now from here you have to go to power, select this one. Over here tap on this and go for restart and go for confirm, so that restart will be taking place in between. And this is what you have to do as the first step. This is very important. Going to the next one is all about we have to update the Steam Deck OS to the latest version. For that reason, you have to click over here on Steam icon, then go to settings. Now from here go to system. Now from here tap on check for update. Just tap on this. So check for update is as well, which is very important. So if it is up to date, then nothing to worry. But if you're having any update, just update it. And this is very important as well. Going to the next one, if you're having an issue with this, then make sure there is, you have to make sure there is no issue with the ports when you're trying to connect the mouse, which is very important. Or you have to make sure the Steam Deck mouse is not working because of any issues manually, like battery. Sometimes the damaged batteries can cause this issue. I don't know how this is related, but they say so. And if that is the case, you have to make sure you have to change the batteries as well. Then only that can be fixed. And they asked me, the Steam support asked me the question like, if any other devices is connected. So that is also we have to think in that way. So if that is the case, you have to check in all these way. And also they asked me to turn off the Bluetooth, which did work as well for me. So I have to do in that way. So you have to turn off the Bluetooth when this case is occurring for you. So you can try these possible workarounds when you're having the issue. And some questions is being asked with the Steam Deck support. So that's why I shared here. And this is what you have to do. And if you're trying to use a Bluetooth device, then you have to charge it, which is very important as well. For example, if the mouse is off a Bluetooth, you're trying to connect it with that, then you just most probably have to charge it as well. And also you have to pair your device with the Bluetooth peripheral, which is quite common, everyone knows that. So just go over here and you have to navigate to settings and go to Bluetooth over here, and you have to connect it. You have to turn on the Bluetooth on Steam Deck as well as you have to connect it, and this is what you have to do. So these possible workarounds can be done when the mouse is not connecting, when you're trying to mouse is not working, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.